Hello guys, so this is the GeoGebra tutorial of geometric transformation and basic animation. So we will start from opening the GeoGebra Classic. You can open it on web and it is free. And then now we will try to explore. First, you can showing the grid or you can hide it. And then also the axis, you can hide it using the setting at the right side tools. And now we'll start with having a triangle by the polygon tools. And here you also can show or unshow the object. And now for the design method, you can change the color or the opacity and then the style for the line thickness and also the line opacity and the filling. You can choose any filling there in the tools at the right side. So choose the object first and then you can change it all. Now we'll try to reflect. For the reflection, you need to choose the object and prepare the line. Select the object and then select the line and you have the reflection image. You also can change the position of the object and have the different image. What I did last step is I hide the reflection line and now I copy paste the shape to have the rotation. So for the rotation, you need to choose the objects and you choose the point of the center. And also now I input the angle of rotation and have that image. And I try to do it one more time. With the same angle of rotation. So I have the second image there and I hide the object of which is the center of the rotation. And also you can try out to move the first object and you can have different position of the object image that you have before. Now I copy paste the object again and I will try to do the dilation. Here for the dilation, I will choose the object and I choose the center point. For example, this is my center point. I need to input the scale factor. I put the scale factor is -2. You can see that this is the image which is at the opposite side from the object to the center. And I also can try to change the center point which is center of dilation and have different position of image. Now the second thing I want to show you is the basic animation using GeoGebra. First I find the picture. You can also import the picture just by copy paste the image. Here I also hide the point for the position of the image. I will try to do the rotation and so that I choose a point which is the center of rotation. But now instead of having the angle of 45 degree or else, I choose A, which is the slider. For the slider, I arrange the minimum and maximum of the value of the slider. And here you can just do the animation. You can see the rotation play again and again. Now I try to copy paste another image, arrange the scale, the size of the image, and then now for the Olaf image here, I also hide the point and I will try to transform it with dilation using the same factor A. Since A is our slider, now Olaf also animated bigger and smaller based on the A, which is the scale factor. Also now you can hide the first object. You can hide the first object, and here you can see Olaf animation from Dilation. Next, I will try to do one more animation using Elsa image here. I copy paste Elsa, and I arrange the scale, the size of the image, and also I can hide this point. And for Elsa, I will try to use translation with different way of animation. Here I will choose a vector, and then I have another point here, and I use the vector again using that point J. And now for the translation, for the translation you choose the object and choose the vector. But here for the point J you can do the animation. So you can see here Elsa also animated in translation using different position of vector, and you also can hide the vector of the translation and play the animation, so you can see this changes of transformation using animation. This is a very basic, so we can continue it later using the complex one. You can explore more at the Geogebra by yourself. Okay, that's all for now. Good luck for the exploration, and please do it for the assignment project later, yeah? Bye bye and see you soon.